Hey guys, how you doing today? My name is Joanne Bryce and I am part of the Alikay Naturals production team. So I'm going to show you guys the application process when it comes to the Dead Sea mask. Make sure your face is all clean. I know I still have makeup on, but I'm going to show you guys what it does and how it feels. Reason why I like to use the Dead Sea mud mask is because I'm always on the go, number one, and then also because I wear a lot of makeup. So I make sure as I wear a lot of makeup, at least every week or 2 weeks or whenever I want to be pampered, I apply the Dead Sea mud mask. The reason why I love the Dead Sea mud mask so much is because of the key ingredients. There's avocado oil, there's jojoba oil, and there's also aloe. It's good because it's detoxing your skin. It's removing all those dirty pores from all the makeup, the excess makeup that you wear, the sweat, and me being, because I live in Florida, the humidity is horrendous. So I had to constantly make sure that I moisturize after I use the Dead Sea mud mask so my skin is not drying up or it has too much oils. So now during the process of drying, it's actually starting to tighten up and it feels amazing. I feel like I'm actually getting somewhat of a facelift. Now that my face is almost completely dry, I'm going to wash it off and show how my fin will look glowy and have that natural smooth effect. And there you have it. So my skin as of now, it feels amazing. I love the way it feels. Like I literally have like a natural glow after I use the Dead Sea mud mask.